CES 2022 has begun, and while we can't be on the ground in Las Vegas again this year, we have one of the products launched at the show with us right here to show you now. The Asus Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition is a special edition laptop designed to commemorate the 20th anniversary of the first Asus laptop to be sent into space. Now there's a lot to see about this laptop, so let's get started. So this is the box that the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition comes in. It has some patterns on the outside and text referencing the Mir space station, and as you can see, there's a handle made of cloth which also says Space Edition. So here we can see even more decorative commemorative packaging. Here's the laptop itself in this bright silver box which has a little bit of a holographic effect. We can see representations of the solar system, text that looks very much like the Star Trek typeface. And here, of course, in this cutout, we see one of the most distinctive features of this laptop, which is its secondary external display. I'll put that back for a moment while we see what else is in the box. Here's another little accessory box that we will get to right after we check out the laptop. So now it is time to peel the protective plastic off the laptop. And lifting this lid raises the laptop inside its packaging a little. We've got yet another little commemorative token here with a representation of the Mir space station and a slogan that says, "We are curious to explore the world and beyond." Here we have our first look of the laptop. You can see there's more space-inspired patterning on the lid and what looks like a little bit of Morse code. Inside this pouch, we have a sheet of stickers, again with a holographic effect. So in this box, we have the charger, and the box itself acts as a stand on which the laptop can be propped up. We'll see how that works in a moment. The first thing you'll notice about the Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition is the big extra screen that you see on the lid. Now, this isn't the first time that Asus has experimented with an external screen. We did see something similar in the Windows Vista days. However, this time it's a 3.5-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 256 by 64 pixels and brightness of 150 nits. By default, it shows space-themed animations, but you can change this to anything you like, including custom graphics or text. The space-themed design that you see on the outside continues on the inside, around the trackpad and on the orange accents on the keyboard. The main screen is a 14-inch 16 by 10 OLED panel with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 and a 90 Hz refresh rate. This panel shows 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut and it's certified VISA Display HDR 500 True Black and Pantone for color accuracy. On the inside, you get one of Intel's 12th Gen Alder Lake mobile processors, which have just been announced. You can get up to 32 GB of RAM and there's a 1 TB PCIe 4 NVMe SSD. You also get dual-band Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports that support charging, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, one standard HDMI video output, a micro SD card slot, and a standard 3.5mm audio jack. The battery capacity is 63 watt-hours. This laptop weighs 1.3 kilos and measures just under 16 millimeters thick. We'll have more details in our full review when this laptop is ready to launch in India, including its performance, battery life, ergonomics, and much more. As of now, pricing information is not yet known. The Zenbook 14X OLED should launch in India sometime later in 2022. If you're looking for an ultra-portable laptop with something very different to offer that will certainly stand out in a crowd, this one might just fit the bill. Thanks for watching and do stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for more from CES.